Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how to clone your own voice using AI. And for this tutorial I'm going to be using 11 Labs, which is widely considered one of the best AI tools when it comes to audio and voice. The AI is going to listen to your voice and then make a replica or a copy of your voice that sounds like you. So why might you want to have a clone or a replica of your own voice? Well, just imagine every time you need a voiceover, whether it be for a YouTube video, a tutorial, maybe you're making a course or a podcast. Instead of having to record your voiceover into a microphone, you simply go to 11 Labs, you type in whatever it is that you want to say, or you paste in an entire script. You choose your voice clone, you generate the speech, and like magic, you will get a voiceover recording in one take. First thing you need to do is create a free account on 11 Labs. So open a web browser, go to 11labs.io, go in the top right corner, I'll click on Login, I'll click on Sign Up, enter your email, password, check the boxes, click Sign Up. 11 Labs does offer a free plan with a bunch of awesome free features. However, voice cloning does require that you upgrade to a paid plan. So on the home page of 11 Labs, if you go to the top and click on Platform, go down to Voice Cloning, you'll see here, Voice Cloning Plans. This will give you the options. So there's the free plan. Again, comes with a bunch of great features, but if you want to use voice cloning, you must upgrade to at least the starter plan. That's going to get you the instant voice cloning, which is kind of voice cloning light. It's very good, but it's not the professional version. If you want the professional version to really make sure that it sounds like you, you're probably going to need to upgrade to the creator. Now I am just on the starter plan right now. For this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the instant voice cloning. In the future, I will upgrade and I'll compare between the instant voice cloning and the professional. To clone a voice, when you sign into 11 Labs, you're going to go to the top right and click on Go to App. If you hover your cursor over on the left side, it's going to expand the sidebar. You're going to go to Voices and click on Plus. If you have not upgraded your account and you're on the free plan, you're not going to be able to choose either instant voice or professional. Notice I cannot choose professional as it's telling me I must upgrade to the creator plan. Now I am on the starter, so I can choose instant clone. So I can click on that to open up the instant voice clone. For the first clone example, let's try to clone the voice of Steve Jobs. We'll start with the famous ad, The Crazy Ones.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes.
And if you haven't listened to this before, I'll leave a link. It's well worth listening to. For instant voice clone on 11 Labs, you must record or upload an audio sample that's at least 10 seconds long. But the more audio you give it, the more accurate the voice clone is going to be. So you can just click and upload from your computer, or you can just drag and drop an audio file, or again, you can click record and record directly into the browser. I'm just going to drag that Crazy Ones right on here. It's an MP3 file. You can get a preview by clicking play. You can click trash can if you want to delete it and upload something else. But as you can see here, there's a little progress bar. It's telling me to continue adding recordings for a better clone. Now I could just use this, that's fine, but to get a more accurate clone, I'm just going to upload another sample. So this is another one of the speeches. I'll drag it on there. When the green circle's filled in, that's going to give you the more accurate clone. So I'll click next. Call it Steve Jobs. Note, there is a copyright and a consent form here that you have to agree to. So this is not for malicious purposes or deep fakes. This is just for research and education, and I'm using Steve Jobs' voice. So I'll click yes, saying I can use it. I'll click Save Voice. Now you have a few options. I'm going to choose this, Generate Speech. This is what a common use case for the voice cloning is. So now I can just type in a script. I'm just going to paste in the beginning of the Crazy One speech. I'll choose Steve Jobs from the voice list here. I'll click Generate Speech.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently.
I would say that's pretty decent. Remember, this is the instant voice clone. This isn't even their good version, and that's pretty good. Now you can have some control over here, so if you want to slow down the speech, maybe sound a little bit too fast, just to make sure.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers.
I give Steve Jobs a passing grade, as I think this sounds like Steve Jobs.
Here's to the crazy ones.
And just as an FYI, if you look in the bottom right corner, you can share the voice by clicking the share button, or you can download it directly to your computer. If you are not happy with your voice clone, I would highly recommend you re-record or give it some new audio samples of your voice, as I have been testing this and I have been getting some pretty good results, but I think it does depend on the audio sample that you give it. In the meantime though, I'm either going to choose Steve Jobs or Jerry Garcia. So again, just choose the voice that you want to use from the voice clone.
My name is Mike Murphy, and this is...
There's Jerry Garcia, and if you want to see all of your voices, you can go over here, click on Voices, My Voices, and that's going to show you all of the clone voices. If you want to get rid of one, if you're not happy with one, come over here, and you can delete, or you can even edit the voice. You can get rid of these audio samples and give it new samples. And if you are on your voices and you want to generate some text using one of these voices, we can just click on the T. That's going to bring you back to where you can type in or paste in a script and just click Generate Speech. And that is how you can clone your own voice on 11 Labs. Link in the description. And again, for this tutorial, we're using the starter plan, the instant voice cloning. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.